Hey, I don't know when you're going to be watching this, but today when I'm filming this, it's July 6th, which means I leave here in 5 days to start my adventure on the road in van life. Van is built enough, the big stuff is done, but right now I'm in this strange place in between where everything is finished, but I'm not quite ready to go on the road. Let's talk about it. Hi, and welcome back to Miles to Myself. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you haven't been here before, thanks for tuning in. My name is Michelle, and I am starting an epic journey across the country. My first destination will be Montana, and I'll be leaving in a few days. So, up to this point, I've been building my van. Every day there's been something to do, keeping me busy, and now it's really over. I have one cabinet left to build, and I'm going to do that at the joinery. They had to shut down for a couple of days due to some electrical problems. I hope to get back in there on Tuesday and finish that up. But in the meantime, there's this weird waiting. I have a doctor's appointment on the 10th, early in the morning, and then I am leaving the next day early in the morning, hopefully by 6 a.m. So in between, it's kind of like, all right, I'm charging the van every day. I'm making sure I'm eating enough every day. I'm making sure the dog is eating enough every day, replenishing water, just taking stock in what I have to do and what I have done, and just keeping track of my systems. Is my electrical system working? Is it okay? Can I get solar? How about my Starlink? All of that stuff is just stuff I've been over obsessing about in this waiting time. And I've been super bored because I know that plans are coming. I've been starting to map out my route going across the country, and I can't wait to share that with you because that is going to be some exciting stuff. I joined Harvest Hosts, and I booked a whole bunch of wineries and alpaca farms and campgrounds along the way, and I can't wait to share that with you. So I want to know from you if you've ever done something like this, or maybe something in your life where you have built up to this day when you are waiting. How have you dealt with the impatience, the boredom? Because I'm finding it very difficult some days, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say. And I thank you for watching and being a part of my journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.